Hello everyone, welcome back. One of my subscribers asked me how to save media so it's readily available on DaVinci. I explained PowerBins to him. I don't think he's familiar with it at all. He asked me if I'll do a tutorial on it, show him, so I'll go ahead and do it. None of the folders are directly on DaVinci. They're all on your hard drive. And there's a path, whenever you want to use something, there's a path directly back to wherever that folder is. And I recommend to make a copy of that folder and save a copy in another hard drive. In case you lose it, you can always bring it back in. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. Can't use my hands and arms. And you want to go up by the media pool here. Click on this master. This is how I do it anyhow. And I right click in here where all my other folders are and select new bin. And then you want to name that bin exactly what your folder is going to be. My folder is going to be stock footage. It doesn't have to have the same name to work, but to keep track of it, it's a good idea. And then double click on it. You'll see now it's down here. In the folder I use, I make a main folder called PowerBin. And then within that folder, I have subfolders for all my media, music, backgrounds, color palette, anything you want. We're going to take this stock footage one that I made. That's why I named the PowerBin stock footage. Just drag them over, put them in there like that. And when you need them, select that little arrow to the left of the master. And they're right here. Or you can scroll down to it and find it here. Once again, don't move your folder, don't rename it, and I recommend saving a copy of it. Whenever you add to that, remember to add it to your copy. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.